engineers and specialists worked hand in hand with Ugandan professionals, ensuring a genuine transfer of skills on time and with respect for local priorities. I commend all Turkish companies operating in Uganda for their commitment and for being strong partners in Uganda's development journey. Your Excellency, Turkey and Uganda enjoy excellent political and economic relations, grounded in mutual respect and shared aspirations. Under the strong and visionary leadership of you and President Recep Tayyip Erdogan, our cooperation has grown into a strategic partnership. Hoima City Stadium stands today as a visible and lasting symbol of this friendship. We are proud to contribute to the prosperity of the Ugandan people. I wish to reaffirm that Turkish construction companies are ready to undertake new infrastructure projects in Uganda, supporting Uganda's development goals with experience, technology and human capacity.